So welcome guys, in this video we are going to install Android 9 Pie on Le2. So for that, currently I am on Lineage OS, which is based on Android Oreo 8.1. Okay, so I'm going to first of all shut down my cell phone, and then I will press the volume up button and power button to turn it on into recovery mode. So it's on recovery mode and twrp is working. So first of all I will wipe the data and do the advanced wipe, and I have to basically clear the cache data, dalvik data and system data. So I will wipe the data. So after wiping I have to just install the Arrow 9.0 Android version zip file. I have to click on this and extract this file over here. So this is going to take a little bit of time. I also add the download links of these files from the official Arrow website, as well as the gaps file also. Since it's installing, it will take a little bit of time, like 15 to 20 seconds. So now it's almost finished installing. So now I will install the gaps. Gaps will include all the Google files, Google apps, and it is really very important to install gaps when you are installing a custom ROM, because most of the custom ROMs doesn't have pre-installed Google apps like your Play Store, your Assistant, and other things. So you have to install this. I will also add tutorial videos for how to download the Arrow ROM, as well as how to download gaps for your custom ROM. You can see that it is also installing all the functions which were included in gaps, also including face unlock. So here we will be having face unlock on this device now, and which is pretty much accurate as well and fast also. So just wait for few minutes and it's going to install. Finally we have installed the gaps as well, so let's reboot now. It's for installing the twrp if we want to activate twrp app in our system when we reboot our system. So it's almost rebooted. It's saying Leico, and this will take a little bit longer, like 5 to 6 minutes to in the first reboot, but when you reboot it later it will work fine. Since it's have started now, and we have to just mm, do the first boot and set up everything. You have to select the carrier network and everything, and it will check for updates as well, and you can just move your entire get your backed up data into a this new ROM from a previous Leico device or any device. So this will take few minutes to set up. Let me just set up this fast. Since I have set up this one, now the new ROM is ready to be used, and it is really very smooth and mostly stock Android. And here we will check its Android version and its security patch level. So here it is error ROM based on Android 9.0, and it's had security patch of 15 November. No, actually 5 November, which is the latest security patch of this month given by Google. So which is pretty good, and we can see that it's Android based on Android 9.0. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you liked. Thank you.